That'll cause some black smoke out of the turbo. And this side, it was broken off and missing. It's been gone for a long time, so leaking there.
Yeah. Very good. Thank you.
And then, okay. There's a little hole on there, and another one right there. So a couple different exhaust light points. So on this piston, the top ring has the wear groove indicator still in it. These bottom two do not. This ring is broken into multiple pieces. The piston's got a little bit of rubbing on it. The bearings look real good. Trailer hitch. Big hunks of stuff in the pan, but it's like plastic. I'm not really sure what it is, but I just set that piece at. Oh, there it is. Something round and big, but it's a really lightweight plastic, and it got beat up in there. So I really don't know what it is. I don't recognize it. Could just be something that fell down in the oil fill tube. But that's what all those chunks are. They're not metal. They're plastic, but there's pretty big ones in there. And the dipstick on it, the low mark is about a 1/4 inch above the oil pan line. So the full mark is more than, an inch above the pan line, which is too high. So this has had way too much oil in it. But we're getting it torn down and gonna do the overhaul.